The false cause fallacy asserts that two events are causally connected when they aren't. Let's unpack this a bit. A correlation is when two things or events occur together, whereas causation means a change in one thing directly causes a change in another. But just because two things occur together doesn't mean one caused the other. Sometimes there's something else causing both events, and sometimes it's just a coincidence. It's important to think of other possible explanations and not jump to conclusions. For example, every morning the rooster crows and the sun rises. These two events are correlated, but the rooster doesn't cause the sun to rise. While that may be an obvious example, it's very easy to confuse the two, and if we're not careful, we can easily be fooled. It's human nature to search for explanations by finding patterns and connecting the dots to figure out why something happened. Imagine I ate a sandwich for lunch and threw up later. Did the sandwich cause me to be sick? Could be. But any number of things likely occurred before I got sick that might be the cause. And by limiting myself to the sandwich, I might be missing something important. Maybe I caught a stomach bug. Maybe it was a new medication. Maybe it was an undiagnosed disease. I'm not pregnant. Or maybe it wasn't the sandwich, but the salad. Mistaking correlation for causation is a very common way that we fool ourselves. For example, while we don't fully understand the causes of autism yet, we do know that it's not vaccines. Yet, because many childhood vaccinations are given around the same age that the symptoms of autism first start to appear, it's understandable how parents might put the two together. This fallacy also forms the basis of many superstitions. I wore my lucky socks and hit a home run. Or my fender bender must have happened because it was a Friday the 13th. The point is that just because two things occur together doesn't mean one caused the other. Look for alternative explanations. Evaluate the evidence. Recognize your own biases and weigh your confidence in your conclusion accordingly.